I took time on the show. We couldn't have our phones, our laptops. I just had a notebook and I was just praying, asking God about the name, come up with the name after reading Revelations, drawing out basically the whole app on multiple pages. And then when I was done, I was like,
wait, what? So you're telling me he went from being an NFL player to a tech CEO, and somewhere in between, he was on a dating reality show in South America? He even breaks down exactly how to land your first major corporate deals for your startup, even with zero connections. Let's just go back to the beginning.
One of my good friends was in corporate at Google, so we just focused on B2B. That led into the aspect of falling into tech with Risewell, but Risewell came about and asking the questions of, hey, HR manager, what's some of the things that you deal with on a day-to-day basis that are holding you back as a company with your employees? And they gave us a lot of their issues they're dealing with. We're like, hey, we should take the questions and like interview other people. Let's do that. Funny enough, I was taking a course at University of Washington. So I use it as an opportunity to say I'm a grad student and I'm interviewing people for my project, because it was just easier to get more leads or people to answer your questions, because University of Washington, Foster Business School, we end up interviewing, asking questions about would a solution that is automatic to help personalize the experience for your employees be something that you would want? How much would you pay for it? Would you put VR and AR into your strategy? How would that look? Boom, send out emails, people answering back. Yeah, how's your project going? Like, so that's how it came about, of going from the B2C fitness business to Risewell and changing the name. I went on a TV show that was in Colombia. Long story, love show, didn't work out, but was on the show and drew up.
Was that South America or Colombia, South Carolina?
Colombia, South America. So in Cartagena, Colombia. It was,
whoa. We want to hear about this.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So that's something really interesting. I would love to hear about as well. Okay. Well, I'll let you finish. And I want to hear if you could talk about that. I'm sure that the audience probably wants to hear about it just as much as I do.
I know, hope. 100%. That's how Risewell came about. Like, 'cause I went down there on a mission to think about, like, I'm on this show, I'm getting paid to be on this show.
Mm-hmm.
But went down there to like have a fun time on vacation, honestly. Right. But also, I got to think about Risewell. I got to draw out the schematics of like what this is going to look like. So I took time on the show. We couldn't have our phones, our laptops. I just had a notebook and I was just praying, asking God about the name, come up with the name after reading Revelations, drawing out basically the whole app on multiple pages. And then when I was done, I was like, Risewell, that's it. That's the name. Yeah. It's Risewell. Yep. And
nice.
While everybody's arguing on the show, I'm just in my head, I'm like, Risewell. And to this day, it's funny. The name of the show is called The Marriage Pact, by the way. But yeah, that's where it came about. And Risewell was birthed from there.